You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? A very interesting but confusing word, alright? So that's a letter in the Greek alphabet. For more letters from the Greek alphabet that are confusing, many get them wrong, so make sure to stay tuned because we've got more here. That's the 17th letter. RHO is how it's said, alright? I know the spelling is a bit confusing. The H in the middle, what is it doing here? Well, you could spell it R-O-W, just like a row of trees, for example. RHO is how it's said. It's easy, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.